is sending me my weekly analytics. Interesting. So here's what I got up to last week. 4 videos, 3 shorts, and 1 post. What is a post? 4 videos. I dropped the ball because I should have made a video every day. 1.9K people tuned into me. Yes. I got 45 new subscribers. Yes. Here's how people found you. YouTube homepage, up next, or YouTube search. People search me. Aww. No information there. This is what they watched. Part 2 of the walking to the supermarket. Don't lose your Jamaican passport and beautiful Connecticut. People didn't just watch, they reach out. 90 people like, oh, 15 shares and 16 comments. 15 shares? Good, good. Let's play a game. What is your most watched video last week? This one. I am positive of that. Was this? Check back next week. Whether you're planning, creating, or resting, have a good week. Was this useful? Was this useful? Send feedback. Okay, let me say extremely useful. I'm sucking up. Allow Google Play service. No. Please do not allow anything. No. No. Yes. 8,000 views, 3,000 more views than usual. Listen, yesterday I saw a video on YouTube where the guy said, when you start with something, people think you're crazy. When you succeed at it, they think you're a genius. I believe in my YouTube channel and I am going to keep going. So yeah, negative comments, negative outlook, that's not going to stop me. I'm growing my YouTube channel. And I got 123 new subscribers. Believe in me because, I'm going to make this a success. Thanks for watching.